Welcome to Schneider's Gourmet World's Kitchen. I am Rachel. This guy here is Wes. He's my husband and he is going to help me today. So we are making our Kaktus Wheat Checkers.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to use a half a cup, and of course sometimes we cheat and we add a little more just because we want to. So we're going to use 4 tablespoons of the coconut oil. Yummo. It's got beta carotene in there for flavor and color. So now, here's the trick. You want to make sure that you watch your oil for a smoke point. So you'll start to see a little bit of smoke coming up from the chips. There you go. All right. And turn forward and back using this turning mechanism so that the chips all get evenly coated with the oil. The chips need the oil to expand. And then within seconds, keep your lid open so you can see what's going on. Oh, there she goes. Awesome. Have a glass bowl. Use the lid of the popper to secure the chips in and let the oil drain out. Have some paper towel ready in a bowl for the chips to go in. Did we get them all? Oh, yep, there we go. Awesome. So we are going to season with Parmesan and garlic. That's another one of my absolute favorites. Yummy. Okay, so we're going to take a teaspoon, like so. Place it into your bag. And let these chips just cool off just a little. And transfer them to your bag. Now some of you are thinking, I know, do I have to use a bag? No, you don't. You can use your bowl. A bag is just one of the most efficient ways to get all of the seasoning on your chips. The bowl sometimes can leave the seasoning stuck to the bowl, which means you have to use a little more. So a bag is awesome, a bowl can work. And just like that, take your paper towel out of your bowl, transfer them in there. And we have Parmesan garlic on our wheat checkers. You want one?
Definitely.
And?
Delicious.
Awesome. If you want to take a look, there's the wheat checker. It's got the Parmesan garlic on it. And we are in business. Thanks for popping by, guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you again soon.